Let's build intelligent bots easily with a low-code design studio for hyperautomation. SAP Intelligent Robotic Process Automation version 2.0. In this video, first we will go through the introduction to SAP IRPA. Then we will see how to leverage SAP IRPA into your business. Next, we will tell you how Stridely can help you in this. At last, we will show you some business cases where you can use SAP IRPA as the robotic process automation layer of SAP's business technology platform. It can redirect resources to high-value activities and processes. Automate repetitive manual processes by creating, scheduling, managing, and monitoring intelligent bots. Leverage SAP IRPA into your business. It will reduce the presence of repetitive and manual activities. Reinvent processes and improve continuously. Make customers happier with a better experience. With SAP IRPA, you can quickly identify the issue and fix it. So yes, your efficiency will be improved to handle operations. These bots emulate users while spanning across multiple applications and tools. We can help you to develop bots with a step-by-step sequence and set of dependencies. Attach trigger mechanisms for attended or scheduled autonomous bots. Apply APIs and machine learning services to make bots intelligent. Tap into a container of automation steps that can be reused for bot development. Publish or consume available RPA bots that meet your business needs. Analyze bot operation statistics and expedite process execution history. Ready to use bots to quickly solve your business challenges and so on. Experts at Stridely Solutions make use of best-in-industry tools and technologies needed for embedding IRPA as a technology. Here are some business cases. Intelligent accounts receivable processing. Automated upload of ledger entries. Supplier invoice status checks. Purchase order confirmation. Customer onboarding. Accounts payable processing. Intercompany reconciliation. Business partner onboarding, IT equipment ordering, change request execution and so on. Thanks for paying your attention. Subscribe us for more videos.